Hello viewers, if I going to open TikTok camera, but TikTok camera not opening, showing this error, create on TikTok, allow access to your camera and microphone to start recording error problem. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this problem. So let's start. For fixing this problem, first of all tap on access camera or access microphone option. Here you can see microphone and camera option. Enable microphone and camera option. After enable microphone and camera option, now go back to TikTok and try to open camera. Now see problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.